Viewers, so in this video I am going to teach you about the apostrophe. Okay, the apostrophe for grade 3. So this symbol when added with s is called apostrophe, plus s it is called apostrophe. Okay, so when apostrophe is added with s, it shows noun's possession. Noun's possession means when apostrophe is added with s, it shows noun's possession, means to show that thing belong to somebody or someone. Okay, to show that the something belong to some person or some living thing. For example, if I will say Lucky's bag, see here apostrophe is added along with s, so it shows noun possession, means the bag belongs to Lucky. Lucky is a noun, so apostrophe shows noun's possession, means that the thing belongs to the noun, means the bag belongs to Lucky. Shalini's hairband, here apostrophe added with s shows that the hairband belong to Shalini. Okay, so this was the first point, it shows noun's possession. Second point is that in case of plural noun ending with s or es, we usually put an apostrophe after s or es to show noun's possession. Okay, so in case of plural noun, ending with s or es, we usually add apostrophe after s or es to show possession. Clear? That means in case of plural noun ending with s or es, we usually add apostrophe after s to show noun's possession. So in case if a noun is plural and it is ending with s or es, so we have to add apostrophe after the s or es. Okay, for example, see here boys is a plural noun. Okay, so we will put apostrophe after the s, so it will become the boy's bag. Okay, here girls is a plural noun, so we will add apostrophe after the s, the girl's doll. Clear? Okay, but there is one exception. We do not write children's book. We do not write like this, children's book. We do not use apostrophe after the children's. Why is it so? Because children is itself plural of child. Children is itself the plural of child. Children is itself plural of the child, so we don't add apostrophe after the s. Clear? Similarly, the man itself is the plural of man, so we don't add apostrophe after the men's. We don't write like this. Okay, and see, this plural noun is not, both the plural noun is not ending with s or es, so this is also a reason that we don't use apostrophe after the word. Okay, so we write like this. In plural form we also write like this, children and men. Okay, both these are plural, so we don't add apostrophe after the like this. We don't add, we simply write men's shoes. See, they are plural. See, first rule says that in case of plural noun ending with s or es, if a plural noun ends with s or es, then we add apostrophe after the s. See, children is plural, but it is not ending with s, so we don't put apostrophe here. See, men is also plural, but we don't put apostrophe after like this. This is the wrong way, okay, because it is not ending with s or es. Here it is plural, so definitely we will write like this. We have to first put apostrophe then s. Men's bag or men's shoes, we have to write like this, okay. So but in case of sheep, sheep is also used as singular or plural. Sheep is also used as singular and also as plural. So in case of sheep, we can use like this. We have to put apostrophe after the sheep and then we have to write s, okay. Just a minute, I am showing you here like this. See, sheep's wool. Clear? Okay. So sheep can be used as singular and plural. So we have to write apostrophe after the p and then we have to write s. Clear? So, okay. One more thing. The third rule says I hope it is clear to you. Okay. So the third rule says if a proper noun ends with s or es, if a proper noun ends with s or es, then we add apostrophe then s. Clear? For example, proper noun James. Okay, so we will write James pen. See, proper noun, if it is ending with s or es, then we will write apostrophe plus s, okay. For example, Keats. Keats is a name, it is a proper noun, so we will write Keats poem. I have told you, in case of proper noun, first we add apostrophe followed by s. I hope it is clear to you. But one more thing, remember one more thing, that it is not used in case of non-living things, okay. Apostrophe is not used in case of non-living things. For example, car's windshield. Clear? So it is wrong. I have first point I have told you that it is used to show noun's possession, okay. It is used to show that something belong to some person or living thing. ये apostrophe ये शो करता है कि कोई चीज़ किसी नाउन को, किसी पर्सन को या किसी लिविंग थिंग को बिलोंग करती है. apostrophe नॉन लिविंग के केस में नहीं यूज होता है. क्लियर? ओके, लेट्स मूव टू द नेक्स्ट पॉइंट. I have told up to third rule that it is used with proper noun. Now the fourth rule says that apostrophe may also be used with plural form of letters, figures or symbols. Apostrophe plus s can be used with plural form of letters, words or symbols. Okay, for example, I am giving you the word all contains two else. Okay, so apostrophe plus s can be used with the plural form of letter, words and symbol. Okay, so in this way it can be shown. We can also write that there are 3 8s in 8808. Okay, so we can use such type of example. So I hope the concept of apostrophe is clear to you. I have, okay, so it is used to show that something belongs to someone or some living thing. That is the first point. Second point, I have told you that it is in plural form. When it is used with noun ending with s or es, we usually put apostrophe after s or es. Okay, first form it is used to show position. Second one, when a noun end with s or es, we use apostrophe after that. Okay, and third one, in case of proper noun when ends with s or es, we used apostrophe after that. And also I have told you that it is not used in case of living things. Okay, so student, this was all about apostrophe. I hope you like my video. Subscribe my channel, like and share my video, and thanks for watching.